thank you for calling Millennium Hotel with Lukman. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly, we have 3 rooms available. Which one would you like to book?
Yeah.
We have deluxe room with Wi-Fi and breakfast, twin bed and standard room. Which one do you like?
Tilu.
The second room. Action.
Great choice. May I have your check-in and check-out date?
I'll be checking in on July 2, 2024, 49, please.
Action.
Perfect. We will have ready your room on July 2. Any special request?
Tilu.
Yes, I'd like an extra bed in the room, please. Also, could I request the top floor if possible?
Okay.
I will make note of that. We will do our best for accommodate and your request to top floor and extra bed.
Thank you very much.
Action.
You're welcome. If you have anything else or question, feel free to call us.